Good morning, students. Today, square roots of a complex number. Okay, we are going to discuss about square roots of a complex number. How do you find square roots of a complex number? Listen, square roots of a complex number. Let the square root of a plus ib be x plus y. Now we take square root of a plus ib. This is equal to x plus iy, where x comma y belongs to R. Okay. Okay. Now taking square on both sides. Root of a plus ib whole square. This is equal to what? A plus ib. Then now right hand side also squaring. So we get x plus iy whole square. Now after expanding we get the answer x square minus y square plus 2ixy. A plus b whole square formula. Okay, are you understand? Okay. A square plus b square, that is I square y square, this is equal to minus y square. Now then 2ab, that is 2xiy. We write 2i 2xy. Okay. Okay, equating real and imaginary parts on both sides. Left hand side, what is the real part? A. And right hand side, what is the real parts? That is x square minus y square. So x square minus y square equal to A. Okay. Next, imaginary part on left hand side is B. And right hand side imaginary part is what? 2xy. So 2xy equal to b. Okay, now we are going to finding x square plus y square the whole square. What is the formula? Using these two answers, that is x square minus y square and 2xy. Okay, so x square plus y square the whole square, this is equal to x square minus y square the whole square plus 4x square y square. Now we substituting x square minus y square equal to a. X square minus y square equal to what? Here a. So we substituting here, we get the answer a square and 4x square y square. How do you write? Very good. 2xy the whole square, that is b square. Okay. Now taking square roots on both sides. Okay. Taking square roots, that is x square plus y square the whole square within square root. What is the answer? X square plus y square. Here we take square root on both sides. Now we get the answer x square plus y square. And right hand side answer we take the square root. So root of a square plus b square. Okay. Now listen, x square plus y square, this is positive or negative? You think what is this, is the positive or negative? Listen, maybe x may be negative, then what is this x square? Very good, x square is positive. Maybe y may be negative, then what is y square answer? This is also positive. Then sum of these two positive is positive. So we write x square plus y square is positive. Since, listen, solving these two equations, x square minus y square equal to a. X square minus y square equal to a. And x square plus y square equal to square root of a square plus b square. So after solving these two equations, we get x equal to plus or minus square root of a square plus b square plus a divided by 2. And y is equal to plus or minus square root of a square plus b square minus a by 2. Are you understand? Once again listen, we are going to solve these two equations. First equation, x square minus y square equal to a. X square minus y square, This is equal to a. And the second equation, x square plus y square. This is equal to square root of a square plus b square. Now adding these two equations, we cancel y square term. We get the answer 2x square. Okay, 2x square equal to root of a square plus b square plus a. Okay, now we get x square only. So first 2 goes to right hand side by divided by 2 and we taking square roots. Okay, now we get the answer x equal to plus or minus square root of a square plus b square plus a divided by 2. Similarly, we get the answer subtracting these two equations. We get the answer y. Once again, listen. First, we write x square plus y square. Okay, x square plus y square. This is equal to what? Square root of a square plus b square. Okay. Okay, now the first equation, we write the second place. So x square minus y square equal to a. Now we subtracting, that is sign will be changed. We cancel x square term. What is the answer? 2y square equal to, first we write positive term, that is a square plus b square, and we write negative term minus a. Then 2 goes to right hand side and denominator. Then y square equal to, okay. Then we take the square root, we get the answer square root of a square plus b square minus a by 2. Okay. Okay, this is our x and y. What is our sum? Here we are going to find square root of a plus ib. This is equal to x plus iy. Now just we find x and y. We substitute here, we get the square root. Okay. Once again listen, we are going to discussing 2xy equal to b. We get, listen here, 2xy equal to b. Suppose both are negative sign. Okay, x and y may be negative or x and y may be positive. What is the b? What about b? B is always positive when x and y have same sign, that is positive or negative. Suppose negative, minus into minus plus, positive plus into plus plus. So x into y, 2 into xy, this is equal to b. It is clear that both x and y will have the same sign. Okay. Okay, when b is positive. X and y have different sign. Maybe x is positive, here y is negative. Minus, plus into minus, that is minus. Maybe x is negative, y is positive. Then b is negative. So different signs when b is negative. Okay. Okay. Now listen. Therefore, square root of a plus ib, this is equal to plus or minus x plus iy. Okay, we are starting sum. We write root of a plus ib is equal to what? X plus iy. So we substitute x and y. But listen, here x is root of a square plus b square. Square root of a square plus b square. This is what? This is, suppose we take z equal to a plus ib, then what is modulus z? Very good. Modulus z equal to square root of a square plus b square. So we write in the place, how do you write? Modulus z plus a by 2, modulus z minus a by 2. Okay. So we write here root of a plus ib, this is equal to plus or minus square root of modulus z plus a by 2 plus I into b by modulus b into square root of modulus z minus a by 2, where b is not equal to 0 since real part of z is less than or equal to modulus z. Okay, formula for finding square root of a complex number. where z equal to a plus ib and b not equal to 0. What is the formula? Here square root of a plus ib, this is equal to plus or minus square root of modulus z plus a by 2 plus I into b by modulus b into square root of modulus z minus a by 2. Students, are you understand? First you memorize the formula for finding the square root of a complex number. Okay, are you understand? I think you are very well. Thank you. Thank you very much.